Alright, let's dive into something that's got the tech world buzzing. SpaceX and Tesla are teaming up to build what's being called the world's largest building in Grimes, Texas. But this isn't just about breaking records. It's about revolutionizing AI chip manufacturing. Personally, I think this is a game changer, not just for Elon Musk's empire, but for the entire tech industry. What makes this really interesting is the scale. Over 100 million square feet. That's not just big, it's unprecedented. And Elon Musk himself called it stunningly beautiful, which, honestly, is a bold claim for a semiconductor plant. But knowing Musk, he's probably got something visually groundbreaking in mind. Now let's break this down. This isn't just SpaceX's project, it's a joint effort with Tesla. Why does that matter? Because it's a clear sign of vertical integration. Musk is cutting out the middleman and securing his own supply chain for AI chips, which are critical for Tesla's self-driving cars and Optimus robots, as well as SpaceX's space-based data centers. From my perspective, this is a strategic move to future-proof his companies. What many people don't realize is that the global chip shortage has been a massive headache for industries worldwide. By building Terafab, Musk is essentially saying, we're not waiting for the market to catch up, we're creating our own solution. One thing that immediately stands out is the sheer ambition here. The initial investment is $16.8 billion, with potential plans to scale up to $119 billion. That's not just a factory, it's a statement. If you take a step back and think about it, this is Musk's way of addressing a critical bottleneck in his company's growth. SpaceX and Tesla's combined demand for chips is expected to outstrip global supply. This raises a deeper question. Could this be the start of a new trend where tech giants build their own manufacturing hubs? I mean, if Musk can pull this off, others might follow suit. What this really suggests is that Texas is becoming a tech powerhouse. With Terafab, Musk is bringing thousands of high-paying jobs to the state, which is a huge win for the local economy. But it's also a strategic location choice. Texas has a business-friendly environment, lower costs compared to Silicon Valley. And, let's be honest, it's Musk's backyard. A detail I find fascinating is that this isn't just about earthbound tech. These chips are also designed for space applications. It's a reminder that Musk's vision is truly interplanetary. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. This project is part of a broader trend of reshoring manufacturing, especially in critical tech sectors. The U.S. has been pushing to reduce reliance on foreign chip suppliers, and Terafab fits right into that narrative. In my opinion, this is Musk's way of aligning with national priorities while also securing his own interests. But here's the thing. Building the world's largest building is one thing. Making it operational and profitable is another. There are massive logistical, environmental, and economic challenges ahead. Personally, I'm both excited and skeptical. Excited because this could redefine tech manufacturing, but skeptical because the scale of this project is unlike anything we've seen before. What makes this even more intriguing is the timing. Just a few months ago, Tesla broke ground on a research facility at its Giga Texas plant, which they called a precursor to Terafab. It's clear that this has been in the works for a while, and Musk is playing the long game. From my perspective, this is a bold bet on the future of AI and space exploration. But it's also a reminder of Musk's ability to think decades ahead while everyone else is focused on the next quarter. So here's my closing thought. Terafab isn't just a building. It's a symbol of Musk's relentless ambition and his willingness to reshape industries. Whether it succeeds or fails, it's going to be a fascinating journey to watch. And if it works, it could set a new standard for how tech companies approach manufacturing. What do you think? Is this the future of tech, or is Musk biting off more than he can chew? Let me know in the comments below.